So over here, you can see that I am in the quick editing mode. And if you want more control over editing, then you can use something called the expert editing mode. And to access it, simply on the top here, you can see expert is an option. So if I were to go around and click over here, then you see much more tools than you would in quick editing mode right here. So on the left side, you immediately see that there are 2 rows of tools now, and they are much more than what you see in quick, more than double actually. So here's color settings, as you can see, and there's view settings, select settings right here, enhance option. So if you were to click on any one of the tool right there, then you will see its option over here on the bottom for that particular tool right here, as you can see. So that is what you have right here. You have much more options, and over here on the bottom right hand corner over here as well, you see more options. So you see layers, you see effects, filters right here, styles, graphics, and even more, as you can see right here. You can see that you can access out more option just by clicking on the triangular icon right here, just like this. And this is the expert mode, and this is what we're going to focus upon from now on in this tutorial series itself. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.